Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're just going to be seeing how to transform some pieces at home that you're about to throw away to like these beautiful gorgeous pieces. Look at how this has transformed my space. Like, I'm sure if you have something like this at home, you're going to want to throw it away, but hey, I'm here today to tell you, do not throw it away because it can become something spectacular. So let's just jump right into it. So this is what these vases look like when I got them. I got these vases from Pier 1. They were like about to throw them away and they cost about, was it $3 for one? So I just got it and I was like, I don't know what to do with it. I've had it forever. So I'm just going to start by using this metallic Rust-Oleum American Accent 2X Ultra Cover spray paint, and it's the gold one. I'm just spray painting it. That's all. Like, just look at, before you spray paint this, just make sure that it's clean. Don't spray paint it on a dirty surface. Spray paint it on a clean surface. Like, just make sure you clean the outer, because this was like dusty and I didn't show you guys how I was just like removing the dust from it. I'm just spray painting it. Look at how nice this paint looks like. It looks like a piece. You know, it like the spray paint is just everything. Spray painting is magical. It's just one of those things that can help you transform something from 0 to 100%. So I just spray paint it and take my time to spray paint every spot. If you can, just spray paint as much as you can, and always make sure to put something on the bottom that can receive the spray paint. Because if you look at that mat, you can see that I've been doing some DIYs on that spot. So yes, this is my backyard and I'm just doing it outside, open air, because it's not good for kids to inhale. You don't want kids to inhale paint. So I'm doing it in the backyard when the kids are probably taking a nap or something. So I'm just taking my time to spray paint every spot. You spray paint, you look. Hey, I want to give you a tip. Remember, stay away, a little bit away. Do not get too close. If not, your spray paint is going to be leaking. It's like dripping and we don't want that. So if you guys look at this one, you can see the little drip there and you can see the bottom was not properly spray painted. So I'm going to go ahead and do it again before I finally place it in my living room to give me this amazing look. Look at this piece, guys. Like, can you spot how cute this looks like? It looks like the perfect magical transformation. Gosh, woo, I did that. Please clap for me, subscribe, okay, like this video, share it. Everybody has to see. Stop throwing away your pieces, make them look magical. Alrighty, and it's Christmas. Look at how glittery this looks like. You know I like glitter, you know I like glass, you know I like gold, you know I like, look, I like fine things. If you like fine things, please give me a thumbs up. We killed it. All right guys, see you in our next video. Bye bye.